Hey crafters, your girl is it's so early in the morning and I'm so exhausted. So what I'm gonna be using in this vinyl, it is special. It is a Thermo Flex Vinyl and in the color grape. So this is a very unique vinyl. This is the first time I'm using this kind of vinyl. You can see what it is. The inside with the vinyl is showing that it's pink, but the outside is like the shiny place is purple. So I am assuming this is purple. It's gonna press as purple according to what I was told. So we're gonna be testing this. It says it's a specialty material, so this is my first time using this. So the press, before we go into any other thing, I'm gonna just tell you the instruction. The press instruction is 320 to 330 for 15 seconds, medium pressure, and it says peel warm. So not hot, not cold, but warm. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the design. And at first I was wondering what part is gonna go facing down on the mat. If you're like me wondering what part goes on the mat, this is how you can verify. You can use your weeding tool to look for where the vinyl is and where the carrier is. We always know it's always shiny place facing down, but this is just different, so I don't really know. So I always go for shiny place facing down, but in this case I was kind of skeptical, and how I got to know which of them is the right place is you can just look for an edge here, look for a spot here, and just pick it up to see where the carrier sheet is. So when I pick it up, I can see, you see that? So that tells me that is the place that is facing down. If you're ever in doubt on the part that should be on the mat, do that, and wherever the carrier sheet is, that's where it needs to face down. Like face down. When I mean face down, it should be on the mat. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on the mat and start cutting it. So this is the mat I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this shiny place facing down. So it's gonna be this facing down. Making sure everything fits, because this is all I got, and I had to reduce my designs so all 4 designs can fit in this 12 by 12. So the size for this vinyl is 12 by 12. So 12 by 12. And that's all I got. And my daughter really wants to put on her sweatsuit. So this is a surprise for her. I did not tell her I was making this for her. Alright, let's start cutting this. So I am cutting. I am sounding very low because everyone is still sleeping. As you can tell, I just woke up. And it's a Sunday morning. We are supposed to go to church today, so I'm trying to get this done so we both can wear it to church. So your cuts instruction is gonna be on your Cricut design space. If you're using Cricut design space, it's gonna be everyday iron. So, and I'm using Cricut Explorer 3. So my light is blinking here. For those of you that haven't really used Cricut, see the blinking light that tells you it's ready to cut, or it's ready for you to feed in your mats. And when it's ready to cut, you're gonna get the blinking light, which is gonna be one of this other one here. Now, this is, my mat is messing up, so I cannot cut this because it has lifted. So I'm gonna take this out and do this again. My mat is just not taking, it's not adhering as much anymore. It needs to be upgraded. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the blinking light again. So this time I'm gonna pay attention so it doesn't lift. I'm happy this is happening. There we go. Now it's gonna go because I held this part. Alright, so now you can see this blinking light is different from the first one. This one is a different one. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. That means it's ready to cut. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. So I'm not gonna have you guys watch this cut because this may take forever. I'm just gonna come back when it's ready so we can start pressing it. Alright, so it's time for the reaches. So I'm gonna just, I like to wait from the side. Alright. Alright, I'm done. Can you guys see how pretty this is? Super mama, super. And this is gonna be the original color. So let's go press this right now. Alright, crafters, so these are the sweatshirts. I'm gonna be putting this on sweatsuit. So this is for the mama, and this is gonna be for the mini, and of course the shirts got its own pants, and I'm so excited to do this. So my daughter don't know that I'm doing this for her because she really she loves purple, and she's been telling me to make this for her. So our press instruction is going to be for 330 for 15 seconds, and this is going to be medium pressure, and it's going to be a warm peel. So I got my heat press already warming up, and let me show you my heat press. So I got my heat press warming up. You can see it is for 330. It is ready for us, and it is gonna be for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna go ahead and start pressing right now. So I got the closest here is gonna be the mama's. And this is medium. Medium looks so big. So you guys already know you want to make sure you use your lens roller and roll this thing real good. Take out all the lens because we do not want that in our design. I can see a lot of lens. So I'm going to pre-press this for 3 to 5 seconds. Trying to make sure I got the middle. Pre-press for 5 seconds. So in order to get the middle, I'm gonna use my T roller to make sure I got the middle. And I'm gonna go ahead and give this a pinch in the middle. All right. I already know the middle because it's just a 4-letter word. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this here. So here, let's see. Place it at number 5. If you're using this kind of tea ruler, I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. This is the kind of tea ruler I'm using. I bought this from Amazon. So I'm gonna place this. Make sure I got my middle. Let's say I'll put it on 5.5 inches down. Let me see this adult here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on a 6. I'm just getting myself confused. 5.5 is where I'm gonna leave it at. Make sure it's straight. I have a ruler here. I need to get the one that, yeah, it's straight enough. So 5.5 is where I dropped this here. So hopefully it's not all the way to. I just don't want it to be too high up. People should put it, yeah, 4 fingers. I'm not doing the 4-finger thing. So if I do 4 fingers, maybe 5. Alrighty, 5.5 is what I put it on. There you go. Alright, let's see. It's a warm peel. I'll let it warm up a little bit. This is so pretty, y'all. This is so pretty. See that? Love it. So for the pen, I'm gonna put it on the right leg. Right leg at the front, all the way at the front. So what else? Make sure I got it up. So for this, I don't usually look at. I just place it. Alright, so let me see how many inches. Like 10 inches away from the, oopsie, you guys cannot see. So placements, I'm gonna do 10 inches for the adult away from the foot. 10 inches. This is something real. Alright, so I'm gonna press this. Oh my goodness. That was hard. Alright guys, I'm just gonna press the other sweatsuits off of camera so I don't have to keep you guys just watching the same thing over and over again. You guys already get the concept. You take out your lens real good, you pre-press for 2 to 5 seconds, and you center your design and you press for 15 seconds. So that's all you gotta know. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final result of the two. So this is how it came out. It's looking good, and it's reading Super Mama and Sassy Minnie. This one is Minnie. She loves purple, so I had to make something that is purple for her, and she kept on asking me, Mommy, when are you gonna get my purple outfit done? So were you surprised when I brought it for you?
Yeah.
I know you were surprised.
I was so surprised.
And you were happy about that?
Yes.
Good.
I'm happy with twins.
You're happy with twins? She's happy with twins. But anyways, this is how it came out. This is how it looked like. And I do not feel this vinyl on my body at all. Like I can't feel it on it. Hold on, buddy. Come this way. Yep. So I cannot feel the vinyl on the shirt. It kind of blends into the shirt, so that's a good thing. So I'm happy about that. So I love Thermo Flex. Thermo Flex is the bomb. And of course, Scissor Easy Weed is one of my favorite. So Thermo Flex and Scissor Easy Weed are the two that I always go for. So yeah, I just wanted to come here and show you guys how this looked like, how it turned out. So I love it. Don't you love it?
Yeah, I love it.
So yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with us. As always, stay positive, work hard, and always make it happen. Bye-bye.